In this video, I want to show you how I generate ideas for the products that I create. And what I try to do is I just try to get ideas from other products. I try to see what the hottest selling products are, and then I just try to create a course on that topic. I try to make the product better, or I try to make a product on that same topic but from a different angle, or I just try to use my own voice. Okay, so here I am on warriorplus.com. This is a network where you can find products for sale. This is where you can sell your products, or this is a network where affiliates can find products to promote. Okay, you can go to the deal of the day. This is the product of the day chosen by the owner of warriorplus.com, and usually these are high quality products. Okay, so basically you want to model your product on best selling products or high quality products. You could also go to top products of the day, which you can see here, the list of the top 10 products. You could also see the top products from the day before, or the last 7 days, or the last 30 days. So you could just go down this list and look for a product that resonates with you, or something that you'd be interested in learning about. So number one here, it says powerful software. So obviously that's not going to apply to you. Number two is companion publishing profits. If you're interested in something related to that, you click on that. Something that caught my attention here was number five, passive profits masterclass. And this looks like a course that teaches about how to get passive income streams. So that's something I'm interested in. So I'd probably click on that, read the sales page, and I'd probably even buy the course and try to get ideas from it. And if you don't want to spend your own money, you could just read the sales copy, just try to guess what it's about, and then go on Google and do your own research and just try to create a product similar to that, but just based on the information you derived from a different source. Okay. Aside from warriorplus.com, you could also go to the warriorforum.com. And this is a forum for internet marketers, and you just go to the Warrior Special Offer section. And these are products being sold by other marketers here. And again, you want to look for a high quality product, or product that's a best selling product that has sold thousands of copies. Because if you create a similar product to that on the same topic, chances are likely that people are going to buy it, right? Okay, so there's the warriorforum.com. There's also jvzoo.com. I'm not logged in right now, but if you have a JVZoo account, or if you register, when you're in the site, when you're logged in, you could see what the top selling products of the day are, or the last 7 days, and so on. So it's a similar idea to what I did on the Warrior Plus network. Okay, so those are the main ways that I generate ideas for creating my products.